Today we are installing Corten steel garden edging. It is easy to install and perfect for DIYs and pros. The natural, beautiful patina develops over time, protecting the edging from corrosion, and it's the easiest way to give your garden that designer finish.
First, decide where you want your edging to go. Planning your design is essential for a successful install. Lay out your edging along your garden or pathway. Then, starting at one end, begin joining sections using the interlocking slots and work your way around. If you're making curves, gently bend the steel before installing. And once the edging is in place, use a hammer, tap the edging down until it's secure. And for a cleaner, modern finish, use the covers and tap them into place over the joints.
Over time, the steel will develop its rustic patina, giving your garden a modern yet natural look. And there you have it. You have a beautiful, long-lasting garden edging that makes your garden look great.